Hi, my name is Janine Kiet and I'm a DIY enthusiast. Are you tired of looking at your old furniture and feel like you need to add something new to bring a different touch of elegance to your living area? If you have an eye for beautiful wooden furniture with an industrial feel, then this rustic table would be perfect for you. Let me show you how.
The tools and products required to complete this task are laminated pine, 1.2 meters by 600 millimeters, 15 millimeter galvanized piping in the following lengths: 1 by 90 centimeter, 4 by 15 centimeters, 8 by 20 centimeters, 6 T-pieces, 4 reducers, 4 copper elbow wall plates, cordless drill, orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, fired earth velvet wood varnish in Imboya, hammerite metal paint in hammered black, adjustable wrench, pencil, tape measure, paint brushes, foam roller and tray, and personal protective equipment. Our first step in building our coffee table is connecting our galvanized pipes to our T-pieces. So what I've done is I screwed in my 20 centimeters into my T-piece and at the other end my 15 centimeters as well. I will now be screwing in my 20 centimeters into my T-piece to connect the other end. So you may have noticed that I'm wearing gloves. These pipes can be sharp, so it's advisable to wear some protective gear. I'll be using a wrench to tighten everything together. To complete the one end of my table, I'll be using these two pieces and joining them together. Repeat the process to complete the other side of the table. So now that we have joined these two pieces together, we'll be using our 90 centimeter pipe to connect them. These are copper elbow wall plates that I'll be attaching to the top of my frame. Add your reducers to the bottom of your table. Screw your frame to your tabletop.
Measure out and then screw the frame to the tabletop.
So now that my table is assembled, I'll be sanding it down and preparing for paint.
Sand down the table with a 120 grit sandpaper. To get a smooth finish, take your time, round off the sharp corners. Wipe the table down with a cloth to remove dust left behind. Prepare your galvanized pipes for paint. These pipes have been wiped down to create a smooth surface. Paint your pipes in nice even strokes and make sure to get full coverage of the pipes. Always remember to paint in a well-ventilated area. The coffee table is assembled and ready for a sealer. Remember, when painting and sealing wood, to go with the grain of the wood for a crisp and clean finish.
This table turned out a lot better than I expected. All the products used in this insert are available at your local builders or online. Get to Builders, get it done.